Rules are made to be broken. From the very beginning. Because they challenge us and put us to the test. We want to know what happens when we break them. How it feels when we leave them in our wake. The thrill. The forbidden. The adrenaline. Forget common sense. And safety? That's no fun. For some people, rules are simply there to be broken. We can't change this. But we can make it very difficult for them. With one of the safest angle grinders the world has ever seen. The new Protago from FEIN. With mandatory two-handed operation, an integrated dead man switch, non-removable protective guard, and much more. Developed together with one of the world's largest construction companies, FEIN Protago. Simply safe, simply secure.